I'm going to buy an abandoned stylish luxury coupe designed by Pininfarina. Peugeot 406 Coupe built by Peugeot between 1997 and 2003. It came with 4-cylinder V6 petrol and diesel engine options. Mark 406. Why is there 2 door panels in the 406? No wonder it's a classic. Never seen on the road. I've never seen this. This bumper is pasted like this? Black interior. Let him bring the keys over and see what's going on here. The key is here. Wow, this is still a V6 engine. Such a small car with a V6 engine. You're 8,000 kilometers. V6 deserves to be V6? Is it coming out? This is the owner's contact. Hey, your car. How much are you going to sell? What about this car? Last time I bought a car, it was 50,000 bucks. I added another one when I came back. Do a maintenance. It cost 50,000 bucks. So how much are you going to sell? For underwear, it's 55,000. Sincerely want. You won't come on a cold day. Let your friend give you a key. The battery took a long time to do. 40,005? Okay. Okay, that's it. Let your friend send the license plate and you send me a card number, okay? The license plate is installed, it's too cold. Oh dear. Eyes are soft. The engine is smooth. Look at any run. Sell whatever you want. But the Upper Ring Expressway? This is the little sports car we bought for 45,000 bucks. It took us a dozen shots to set the car on fire. It's snowing old irons. It's so cold, I'm gonna start doing it today. It's not easy to push it in. The starter is broken and pushed hard. So warm. The support rod is broken and the inner cover is supported entirely by the golden hoop rod. Oh my god. Look at this maintenance bar. Bound by the sole. Is this car repair technology okay? Put the tape down. It's done. The car that sold more than 400,000 that year had an anti-collision look. It's all about this plastic guard. And this guard look. No wonder only a few dozen were sold back then. Look at this bumper. It's another year to sew and mend. Here too. Did you see the blower? The design is not easy to dismantle, and it is not easy to have a small space. Do the French have small hands? This takes the odds down. Otherwise, this starter is easy to dismantle when it is taken off. This little starter smoked yesterday and didn't work. I've been calling here since yesterday. It looks dark. It's all deformed and smoking. Almost found the car. Yesterday I thought this brake was fake. As a result, I lifted it up today and took a look. Wow. Is this the genuine bag? More than 400,000. Please start it. Wow, this thing is so heavy. This chassis is quite complete. Just found out now. This wheel is also old-fashioned. Japanese Senkai. Genuine wheels, wow. 400,000 is worth it. The starter is changed. Let's try it. 1 dozen. Come. Hey. This starter is beautiful. Wow, no more. Wow, so dark. I haven't changed the oil for half a kilometer. Oh my god. The classified car is also here. Give him a new chance. Some fresh blood. Old irons. Guess how many barrels this V6 engine can add. Added a bucket. Red and green. Get a new mask. Put on the mask. Perfect and beautiful. The back bar is also cracked. You remove the back bar. Going neither behind. There's a bubble in the back. There's no crash beam in this foam either. Oops, this little sports car is designed. Spent more than 400,000. You also have an anti-collision beam, right? Hey, this is awesome. This is a Japanese audio brand. Not bad, not bad. CD should be... Is this a public release? Fortunately, there has been no rear-end collision since 2005. The right rear didn't rear end either. Say these hundreds of thousands of little sports cars, why not design a double exhaust? When we got back, we started setting it up. Let's remove the bumper. This bumper has been charged no less than 800 times. Not easy to fuck a bumper. Knock this putty down 3 greetings. Weld this bumper. Continue for another 3 years. Will not automatically drop. Remove this door panel and check this co-pilot in this window. What's the situation? Sound insulation is okay. Oh my god, this... Not plugged in. No wonder there's no response when pressing the doors and windows. Plug this in and let's try again. No response. Is the switch broken or this module broken? There is a module next to this motor. Could this module be broken? Look at this window. Hey, come down. The back backrest is adjusted and doesn't respond. The front and rear are normal. Remove it and check it. Take a look at the co-pilot. This car Hey, back. Ah, the backrest. This co-pilot is easy to use. Turn it over and see what's inside. Does the motor have sound? Take the seat out and check it. Inside seat. Wrong door fixed. We brought this seat. Rewrap this leather. This is about the same. Out of line. This also comes with the seat heating. Was this okay back then? 400,000 is worth it. 20 years of good cowhide. How beautiful to make a wallet. So the problem that the back cannot be adjusted is found. This motor turns, but this cable, this wire turns this head off. Fix it up again. Should have been repaired before. It's taped here. Let's fix it again and glue it well. This car is too thin. No board. I have to go back to the traditional handmade factory. The seat is packed and installed. Take a look. Not bad. Take a look at this backrest too. Well, it's all done. Old irons, look what baby I bought has arrived. Accessories for two-door panels are not easy. The steering wheel shakes when you hit the brakes. Let's get a new plate. Look at this brake disc. Almost worn out. More than 400,000 little sports cars with a brown abalone are not bad. Take it down and look at this little abalone. Brand new brake discs ready to board. Perfect! The steering wheel never shakes again when braking. The poles are installed. Ready to go over and paint. Guys, let's take a look at this car again. See how the board is progressing. It's too cold. This Tendon Master's progress is not good. The rear bumper is welding. This place is also welded. Here is good. Let's take a look at this car today. This putty has been scraped. The scale you bought has arrived. Let's replace the scales. Okay. Let's try it after changing it. Hey, beautiful. There's got to be something wrong with this car. We have to clean up, right? Can't leave him alone. Primer is done. Ready to paint. To play with old cars, you have to paint according to the standard process. No link can be missing. After the period is served twice, the effect is different. Finish the paint and do a whole car polish. Come on, old irons. Just say it's bright or not. Let's wash the car and show you how it works. This logo 406 has just been painted, and there are still some details that haven't been dealt with yet. Let's go to an old car event today. Out of hair. Let's see how much gas this little sports car can add to a tank. Added 463. This is the iconic little sports car I bought for 45,000 bucks. Old iron to see if this is a classic old car. This is the effect of the renovation after coming back. I especially pulled it out today. Where is the front? Who accompanies me? No directions along the way. If I walk in a narrow alley, love is like fighting fire. Who is crazy with me? Freezing in the long night. But I just try to hide it. What a naive ideal. How much to find is depression? Silence to meet disappointment. How many heart wounds? Only forget the previous words. In fact, you and me yesterday. Living to this day has changed a lot. Only tenacity. Tomorrow the road will be more hesitant. Tired and used to no longer feel. Don't regret what would